Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to install a Neo4j desktop to work with Neo4j on your system. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type here neo4j.com and or you can directly type download Neo4j community. Okay, so otherwise you from website you will click on get started and there you will get a two option. One is launch with sandbox. Here there is no need to download anything. It's open your browser and you are good to go. And another option is your download Neo4j desktop. So I am interested in this, so click on this and it will give you option to download. Okay, click here and it will start downloading, but before doing that you need to fill your information and click on download desktop. Okay, when it started it will give you this key. This is a you can say license key or connection key, so you need to keep this with you. So I am keeping this here. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, so there is no need to download again. So go to my downloads and here you are able to see I have already downloaded this to save our time. So to install this, double click and to allow for security purpose it's recommended to give access only user which is going to use this, but for now I am allowing anyone who use this computer. Okay, next, yes, and install. Finish. And now open this Neo4j desktop to check everything is working or not. So it's configuring. First you need to accept the agreement and confirm your Neo4j data, and here you paste your software key which we copy earlier and activate. Now it will take some time. By default this software comes with sample database, that's movie database. So when it's created you will check that is there. Okay, so it will take some time. Now it's done. Okay. Okay, now you can check this is opened. Your database, default database is here. Okay, and it's running. So that's all for this video. Thanks for your time. Thank you very much.